My son's 15 months old and he's had eczema since about 6 months old, and he's been having continuous flare-ups. He gets it on his chest, on his back and in his creases. The first time I used Atopic Piel, I used the Body Cream Extreme, and it was a great product. It really exceeded expectations. I applied it in all the places, and especially on his chest where the skin was quite thin and delicate and where it was at its worst. And by the morning it was almost clear, and after a few uses it had cleared it up. So I was really, really happy and surprised.
Alex is 3 years old and he's got eczema. He's been suffering with it since he was about 2 months old. He just constant itch, constant soreness, scratching. Atopic Piel works wonders. Alex, his skin much improved. He was reduced his redness, his itchiness, and it helped him very much. He was very comfortable with it, applying it and doing it himself.
The relief seemed to be completely instant because he didn't, as soon as he put the cream on, he didn't try rubbing it off or scratching it off, so I imagine it was quite soothing for him. Compared to other products which are either quite greasy or quite thick or sort of sit on the skin, it rubs in really well and it moisturised in his skin as well, so he enjoyed having it put on and I didn't mind it on my hands.
Seeing him being happy and more confident that he's not itching, it makes my life more easier.
The skin just seems like it's now thicker. Before it was quite delicate and flaky and peely, and now it just seems a lot more smooth and solid and protected.